How to crochet a triangle. To crochet a basic triangle, start with a chain 2. Then work 2 double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Row 2. Start row 2 with a chain 1. Remember that this doesn't count as a stitch. Double crochet into the first stitch. Then work 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. Turn your work. Row 3. Chain 1. Again, this does not count as a stitch. Double crochet into each stitch up to the last stitch in the row. Then make 2 double crochet stitches into the final stitch. Turn your work. Row 4 onwards. Now you just repeat the last row until your triangle is the desired size. It's simply chain 1 and double crochet in each stitch up to the final stitch. Make 2 double crochet stitches in the final stitch, then turn. By ending each row with 2 double crochet stitches, you're essentially increasing your work on alternate sides. You can also turn a triangle into a diamond by switching to working decreased stitches at the end of each row. Once your triangle is the desired size, simply fasten off. And that's how you crochet a basic triangle. Basic granny triangle. To make a basic granny triangle, start with chain 4. Then slip stitch into the first chain to make a ring. Round 1. Start the row with chain 6. This counts as a treble crochet stitch and a chain 3. Work 3 treble crochet stitches into the ring. Then chain 3. Repeat that again, making 3 treble crochet stitches followed by 3 chains. Then make 2 treble crochet stitches into the ring. finish by joining the round with a slip stitch into the third chain of your beginning 6 chains. Round 2. Slip stitch into the next 3 chain space. Chain 3. In the next 3 chain space, make 2 trebles. Chain 3. Three treble crochet stitches in the same chain space. And chain 1. Work 3 treble crochet stitches into the next 3 chain space. Chain 3. Three treble crochet stitches in the same chain space. Chain 1, then repeat that one last time. 3 treble crochet stitches into the next 3 chain space. Chain 3. Three treble crochet stitches in the same chain space. Chain 1. Then finish the round by joining with a slip stitch in the top of your starting 3 chains. And that's how you crochet a granny triangle.